Hey guys, it's Sarah, studio artist at Milk Makeup. Hydro Grip Primer, take your skin on a trip. An oil-free, silicone-free hydrating primer. Hemp-derived cannabis extract activate all-day hydration and hold. Hydrates to plump and smooth the skin for a seamless makeup application. Blue agave forms an invisible layer to grip and lock in makeup all day. It also smooths your skin's texture for a perfectly even canvas. And it seals in moisture so you can layer on makeup. Aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins quench the skin to give you a boost of hydration with antioxidant protection. Post-yoga glow with a glassy skin finish. It's like a barrier that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out and keeps your makeup on all day. Pump 1 to 2 shots of primer on the back of the hand. Blend a thin layer all over the skin with fingers, a brush, or sponge before makeup application. Allow 1 minute for it to fully absorb to activate grip for all-day hold. This oil-free gel texture works on all skin types. We all need hydration, even oily skin. For a super fresh face, I pair Hydro Grip Primer with Sunshine Skin Tint. And for a full face, I apply Hydro Grip Primer with Blur Liquid Matte Foundation.